model, 66 Plate Ford Transit 350 LWB starts runs needs diff repair 87k Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 87,191. MOT, the 31st of December 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 170 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Rear diff has gone on. This has no drive, rear diff needs replacing, engine clutch, and gearbox a perfect grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, inverter. Euro state.